Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova 8i, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into safe mode. And to get started, simply hold the power key. From here, select power off. And once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up. So power, volume up, both of the keys at the same time. You'll see the phone boot up, at which point you can let go of those keys and simply wait for the recovery mode to show up. Okay, so there we go. So from here, all you need to do is tap on safe mode, and this will initiate a reboot into the safe mode, obviously. Now, while it's booting up, I'm going to quickly describe what this mode is for the people that might not be aware. So, booting your device into safe mode will basically disable all third-party applications. So, any app that you have installed from either App Gallery or just the browser, whatever the case may be, will not start up either by default or won't be able to start up even if you want to open it yourself. That is so you can troubleshoot your device. Now, if some app is, for instance, malicious and is trying to run in the background causing your device problems, in safe mode, that app will be completely terminated and will not be able to cause that havoc. And if you had some kind of problem with your device because of it, it wasn't functioning or allowing you to uninstall it, you can do it now in safe mode. So also apps that, for instance, are absolute garbage for like displaying ads. I've seen apps that, for instance, go dormant for a couple months, and after a couple months they will start just showing you on a little home screen ads. Those apps will not also be able to do that now. Unfortunately, you will still need to find out which app it is if you don't know, but at least here you won't see the pop-ups all the time. So anyway, additionally, you can see there's the safe mode marking, and this will stay as long as you are in safe mode, obviously. And once you're done with this mode and you want to leave it, all you need to do is hold the power key, keep holding it, and then select restart, which once the device restarts, it will be then back in the normal mode. And as you can see, we're now back in our system. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.